gonna warm up our bodies by doing Animal Parade. So you're gonna get to become all different kinds of animals so that you can play around and have fun. So who wants to raise their hand and pick an animal for us? Oh, I like the way you're raising your hand. What do you want to do, a kangaroo? Okay, so everybody put your hands like this. Everybody let me see a kangaroo hop. Go boing, 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 boing. And kangaroo hop over here. And kangaroo hop over there. Boing, boing, boing. Freeze! Good job. Next animal that we're going to do a bear walk. So what kind of sound does a bear make? A bear goes, roar. So everybody, what you're going to do is take your hands and you put them on the ground, and then we're going to walk like a bear, nice and easy. And everybody let me hear you go, roar. And keep growling and go, roar, just like that. Now, when we're walking like a bear, do we have our knees on the ground or off the ground? Good job. And one more time, everybody, let's walk around like a bear like this. And everybody breathe in and go, roar. Good job. Good job. One more animal. This is called a frog jump. So everybody knows how to do this, but if you don't, you bring your bottom all the way down to the ground like this, and then you're going to look around for some flies. Look around. Everybody take a deep breath in, stick your tongue out, grab your fly. And then land just like that. One more time. Look around for your fly, take a deep breath in, and jump in the air, and grab your fly. Good job, everyone. High five. Hey there, Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.